Let's do something fun. Let's go get the mail. First time this year. This is a test run for tomorrow when my neighbors come over and we sled. We'll have to go see if any of the birds are eating the seeds. I'm wearing my high sea, high snow boots. Something I don't get to wear very often. Now we just had the mailman come up the driveway, so there may not be anything in the box. Oh, look at that. So quiet. Ooh, it looks like the birds are doing something down in that tree over there. There are my 3 pawpaw trees that have never grown in 3 years. I wanted to get those moved before the ground froze. Ah, there go the birds. What you got going over there, birds? What's going on down there? Oh, there's more up in the trees there. Oh yeah, a bunch of birds. What's going on down here? Looks like you're having a convention. What's going on? I can't tell what kind they are. What have you got there? Check it out. They'll all fly away, of course. That's odd looking. Wonder why that doesn't have any snow on it. What's your secret, birds? Look at these bird tracks. Oh, aren't they beautiful? Oh my goodness, look at those bird tracks. They're so perfect. got to take a picture of that. All right, well, we'll just head on up to the mailbox. Now, this is our sledding spot on the right. But as you can see, we need a few more inches. Driveway would be nice, but it's not safe because there's a big drop off over on that side. Oops, empty. Okay. There's my place. Oh, let's walk up here and say hello to Tiger. Can you believe I still have this cross here? I do. I'm sentimental. Hi, Tiger. Hi, Tiger. We miss you. I hope you're having fun. I have a feeling that's going to be really pretty in the morning. And look at the tree. Oh, yeah. Oh. I hate to even mess up the yard by walking through it. There are my new apple trees over there. And tomorrow, I bet my tunnel up there will be covered. Yeah, that's my loofah tunnel. My cistern up there. And my house up there. Okay, I just wanted you to experience how peaceful. Oh my goodness, look at all the birds up there. Let's see. Okay, they're there and they're there. There's at least 50 birds up there. What are they eating? I mean, why are they here? I don't know if you can see them. They're excited about something. I don't know. When I first came here, there was a big rock right up there somewhere. And the birds used to gather there when it was snowing. I think because they could get some water, but I don't know. I'm close to the river, so if they want water, they have plenty of that. Gosh, there's at least 50, maybe more. Okay, I'll get out of your way. Enjoy yourselves. There's seed in the feeder. Sometimes I think if all I did was walk to the mailbox every day, I'd be in shape. It's not that easy. My house looks like kind of like a white house until it snows. Then you can really see it. I need to take down my wreath. Oh, hey, thanks for going on that walk with me. I am perfectly warm except for my fingertips. You know, when you're filming, your hands always get so cold. But it's not a scene you often see here, so I thought you might have enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. I have a lot of very different kind of content. And I'm going to be working on sewing, sharing my patterns of my sewing, as well as other things. So I hope you subscribe, and I hope I see you back here soon. God bless. I can't talk. My mouth is getting frozen.